This property is presented by Charlotte Rouse, downtown, walking distance to everything. 2 bedrooms/1 bath. Open floor plan and bright new paint. Beautiful home converted into apartments. Designated parking. The $1,500 per month includes utilities. $20 per month for trash and washer-dryer use in the basement. $30 processing fee for each adult. Tenants responsible for general maintenance, filters, light bulbs. Tenants responsible for any small repairs totaling up to $100. Apply online through RentSpree. This adorable, spacious apartment in the heart of downtown Fredericksburg won't last. Come see it now.